po sa inyo lahat at papasalamat po kami itong dialogue or itong press na ito dahil sa update kung laban ni Charlie Suarez. So, unang-una gusto kong kakilala sa inyo si Charlie Suarez na ating backer and ang post natin si Delphine and our manager si Rick Tabata. And yung bang team mo, pakilala mo?
Represent from Philippine Army, si Lieutenant Colonel Caron, then si Kotrob. Hindi naman natin tanong kasi kilala na si Kotrob. Nice. Kasama ko dun sa ringside.
Oh, nice.
So, nandito tayo para may update yung laban. Alam natin lahat na namapya na naman tayo sa Amerika. Akala ko wala na mapya eh. So, lahat ng buong mundo nakita nila na walang headbutt. Pero yung referee headbutt, sabi niya kaya makimenenos para matalo na si Charlie. Eh dapat yun, sila ang talo dahil sila nasugatan eh. Sila ang cause ng pagsinto ng laban. So, dineclare yung referee na headbutt para i-menos na marami. Dineclare na... Well anyway, lahat naman pati na yung mga nandun, alam naman lahat na daya yung ginawa. So, bago mag-desisyon, we filed a protest in World Boxing
with the we filed protest with the California Sports Athletic Commission and with the World Boxing Organization, both immediately that night following the decision.
Pero June pa yon. Pero before that, sinabi na lahat doon, pati sila top rank yung promoter na parang iwasan nila kasi naalagaan nila si Navarrete. Magkaroon ng bad record. Kaya pinanalo nila pero ang ginawa, bago lumabas yung desisyon, tinanggal na sa 130 para umakyat para hindi siya tatamaan kung mag-desisyon sila na panalo si Charlie dapat doon. So anyway, binabalita na nila na walang natalo daw, parang no contest. Parang nagrarason na lang sila, pero maliwanag na dinaya tayo ron. Because yung referee dineclare niya ng headbutt, alam natin lahat na walang headbutt. Lahat na nanonood nakita na walang headbutt. So sinuspend na raw yung referee pero talo na tayo. So yun nangyari. So liwanag na apat ang champion doon si Charlie. Well anyway, gusto yung malaman ang you can ask questions. Charlie or...
Sabi na mag-meeting ang California State Athletic Commission June 2.
Yes, yes.
Kung sila maglalabas ng official.
Yes, yes.
Kasi ang gawin sinasabi, dalawa lang pwede mangyari, no contest or gawing TKO. Pero parang ano nangyayari yun, parang pinoprogram na yata tayo na mukhang sa no contest babagsak yung mga
Yun nga eh.
decision. What if hindi ho nila gawing TKO TKO victory for Charlie?
Yun
Ano
nga
yung
eh.
next move po?
Yun nga dapat pero dahil alaga nila eh, yung promoter alaga nila si Navarrete. So alam namin yun kaya gawin nila lahat na maka. In fact, bago naglaban si Charlie doon yung tatlong laban niya, unang laban parehas. Pangalawang laban, pinalitan na matangkad na ng mga kalaban. Kaya yung natin ginagawa nila, gusto nila matalo si Charlie. Pero nagreklamo kami, pinalitan. So, pangatlo, nanalo naman si Charlie. Pangatlo, ganoon din. Iba ang nakaprogram hanggang last minute, pinalitan naman ng matangkad. Talagang gusto nilang talunin si Charlie para di-threat sa mga alaga nila doon. So, wala na kayong magawa. So, pangatlo, naobligan na si Charlie lumaban maski matangkad dahil kung hindi siya lalaban, bababa na naman, mapapalo yung championship. Pero anyway, nilabanan ni Charlie na knockout. Knockout yung third fight niya. Kaya umabot siya ngayon sa championship, world championship.
So paano po, pag naglabas po lang sa June 2 ng ruling, ano pong next move natin?
Well, nasa naman lahat na mababaliktad yung decision. So, the worst, ilalagay nila na no contest. So, parang para lang hindi magkaroon ng bad record yung alaga nila. Well, anyway, tingnan natin kung anong lalabas doon. At the same time, inaano namin kung anong next or future laban ni Charlie. Either dito para hindi tayo madaya or doon, depende sa mga promoter.
Rob, will there be a rematch?
Hmm?
Will there be
Yun nga, very much. Di ba,
Sure, yeah, sure.
automatic rematch is supposed to
Automatic.
be. Pero kung tinanggal nila sa 130, paano magre-rematch yun? Wala na. Iwas pusoy na sila.
So may tendency ang WBO to kumbaga i-promote to a higher rank division si Navarrete. Ganun ba ang nakikita niyo po?
Yeah, parang
hindi na
tinanggal na nga, yun ang balita, tinanggal na sa 130. Pinamote na nung tumaas na siya para hindi siya tatamaan kung naman desisyon ng ano.
Wait, is that
Rick, can you explain that?
Yeah. So basically, I mean, you can go up in weight class and you can go down in weight class. So I think that obviously his hardship of making weight at 130, he's better off going up to 135. He can easily make weight and he can contend pretty strongly in that weight class as well.
But in the eventuality of that, will there be a declaration that the junior lightweight WBO title declared vacant?
He would have to vacate the title. They would vacate the title, and then he would. But I will tell you that Top Rank is really, and not only Top Rank, but I think the world wants to see this fight again. I mean, I think we were, obviously the champ was cheated in this entire decision. However, the world wants to see them fight again. I mean, it was explosive from the first round that bell rang.
Slam bang.
I mean, it was, everybody was on their feet in that stadium. I mean, it was a strong, it was a battle. They went in there to fight. And that was, no doubt, the fight was the best fight of the night. So I think that, at the end of the day, everybody is ready for that rematch.
So because there's a 2-month rest period because of the cut. So if ever, when do you expect the rematch to be called?
I mean, that's too hard to tell right now. I would say that we would fight for as soon as possible, especially if the hearing doesn't go in our favor and it's just made a mandatory rematch. We would want the fight as soon as possible, as soon as the 2 months is over.
So assuming there's a mandatory rematch, he cannot go up in weight. He has to face Suarez again.
Yeah, the next match for both of them should be each other.
All right. Thank you.
Rick, if in the event Navarrete vacate the title, would Charlie be an outright contender for